In this tutorial, you will know how to buy USDT on Gate.io. Please be patient and watch the video till the end, as different methods are having different kind of fees and exchange rates. So this tutorial will give you the opportunity to save a bunch of money while you buy USDT on Gate.io. There are primarily three methods how you can buy USDT on Gate.io, and we will go through each of this. In order to buy USDT on Gate.io, you want to click on Buy Crypto. And then you go into have like three different kind of options. The first thing that you need to do is to specify which kind of currency would you like to choose, but we will leave the USD one. And we will go with the first method, which is debit and credit card. So just hit on that. To the Buy Crypto with debit and credit card page, you're going to have two sections. The first one is where you have to enter the amount of how much money you are ready to spend. And the second section is which kind of channel would you use in order to execute the transaction. You need to pay attention to the payment channel, because like every channel have different kind of rates. Gate.io advertised Gate Connect, which is like a low fee and hot. But at the same time, in case if we go further and scroll down a little bit, we can see that the MoonPay has the lowest rate. So for 1 USDT, you need to pay 1 USD. But the other thing that we need to cover is that it has different kind of range limits. So for example, like in case if we are ready to spend 11 USDT, we can see that it will not allow us to use the MoonPay or any other, because for instance, for the MoonPay, the limit is going to be from 30 USD. But then in order to calculate how much money you need to pay for USDT with the amount that you have entered, just click on the payment method which is available. Let's say it's add the cash, because with the 11 bucks, it's the only possibility to go with that. So the amount of money or the amount of USDT that is you're going to get is 10.58, and you need to pay 11 USD. So if you are satisfied with this method, just click I have read and agreed the disclaimer, and then click continue, and it will send you to the gateway. That's about the first method. Second method would be the bank transfer. So in case if you would like to use this type of payment method, just click on that. Transfer page is quite the same in case if we would go to the debit and credit card. So you also need to enter the amount that you would like to pay for crypto, and we have like the payment channels. As you can see, for bank transfer, we don't have so many methods, but at the same time, we have seen that for Cash, the rate was a bit high in case if we would go with the debit card. For the bank transfer, it's going to be lower. But at the same time, you need to think of that in case if you already have the Cash account, that's fine. But in case if you don't have it, so first of all, you need to register it, then you need to top up the Cash account, which also going to consume some fees. So all this kind of stuff you need to keep under your own calculation in order to make the most beneficial top up of the Gate.io. And final method is P2P trading. It's a little bit different from debit and credit card and bank transfer, the ones that we have discussed, but we're going to discuss what is the main difference just in a while. When it comes to Gate.io P2P trading, there are like two methods, Express and P2P. And we're going to talk about this just in a while. So first of all, let's try to understand what is P2P trading. So the P2P trading involves the direct buying and selling of cryptocurrencies between traders on a cryptocurrency exchange platform, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This method connects buyers and sellers, enabling them to engage in transactions seamlessly. So in other words, there is a market where there are like USDT sellers and USDT buyers. It's possible like to trade between them. And the Gate.io is just like an escrow service that is P2P Express. With this method, it's quite easy. So you just need to enter the amount of USD, how much you are able to spend or wish to spend. And then this is the amount of USDT of how much you will get. Then you need to specify the payment method, and please check out this part. It's called zero trading fee purchase. So Gate.io is not going to take any fee from you while you're going to execute this transaction. So in case if you are satisfied with these numbers, just click this button and follow the further steps. Method is just a P2P or a P2P market. You just need to click on this tab Once you click here, it's like a market. So there are like sellers and buyers that are selling crypto for their own rates. And the rates might vary, based on the how much money would you like to buy, or how much crypto would you like to buy or sell, and then which kind of payment method you're going to use. So once you go into play around, you will see different currency rates. And as practice shows that on P2P, you can really make a good deals, but then you need to make a good calculation for it. Now you have learned how to buy USDT on Gate.io. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.